to my flat and room tour. This is the lobby area. Here you have a lobby rack, fire extinguisher, power backup inverter, a first aid kit, electric submeters installed for each room separately, so you pay only for what you consume according to the government rates. Let's go in the kitchen now. Here you have a water purifier, water electric geyser as well for winters. The water purifier's filter is replaced every month. Then you have the electric toaster, electric kettle, electric induction stove, a microwave, and separate cupboards for each and every room. And there's a fridge as well. This is my room. It's a very decent sized room considering it's old Rajinder Nagar. Those who have been here would understand what I mean. So here I have a single bed, a study desk, a chair, rack, two racks for books and items. One is there, one is in that corner. Window AC, which has a remote. So overall you can see the room. It's pretty spacious. Almirah even has a locker. Let's go in the washroom. The washroom has a shower, electric geyser, a big enough window for natural light to flow through. This one is the balcony attached to my room. So the balcony has a net door here as well. The good part is, so when the weather is good, I don't need the AC, I can shut it off and save on some electricity. Let's go in the balcony. Here you have a tap as well. So for washing clothes, I have a maid. So over and all, it's a nice, basic, clean environment for studying. I'll forward this video to the landlord, so you can check out the description below